If you think we're desperately trying to avoid saying one person's name, you're right. We'll do our best to avoid that subject. Plus, we've got her up, famed French chef Jacques Pepin, and Bill Curtis just shakes his head about how bad I am at corralling our panelists.
This guy is such a total pussy cat. It's stunning.
Last was really serving up that weak sauce on our quiz, coming up right after this hour's news.
From NPR News in Washington, I'm Barbara Klein. China is hailing the climate change agreement adopted in Paris yesterday. Beijing's senior envoy to the talks, Xi Jinping, says it has flaws, but speaking through an interpreter, he says it fairly divides responsibility for carbon emission reductions between developed and developing countries.
China congratulates most warmly the adoption of the Paris Agreement. It is true that the agreement is not perfect, and there are some areas in need of improvement. However, this does not prevent us from making historic steps forward.
Last week, Beijing issued its first ever red alert for pollution because of heavy smog. Most of China's greenhouse gas emissions come from burning coal for electricity. Meanwhile, some Republican lawmakers are criticizing the accord. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says President Obama is making promises the U.S. can't keep. The Obama administration pushed for wording in the agreement designed to keep it from having to get Senate approval. Secretary of State John Kerry is now in Rome, co-chairing a conference aimed at showing broad international support for a unity government in Libya. As NPR Sylvia Poggioli reports, Libya is gripped by lawlessness.
4 years after the overthrow of Muammar Gaddafi, Libya is torn by growing factions. After a year of UN-sponsored talks, two rival parliaments agreed to sign a national unity deal. But other factions are opposed and past deadlines have slipped. This prompted Italy, co-chairing the conference, to push for urgent international backing of a Libyan government agreement. But Italy has ruled out military strikes for the moment, pointing to NATO's 2011 assault, which overthrew Gaddafi, fast marching lawlessness